Ready, sir? Hi, all. Good evening. Myself is Girish K. I welcome you all to HashLearn Studios. In the last class, we were doing the problems on differential equations. So here is a class practice pack problem. At the end of each class, you will be given 10 important questions. So here is one problem which is very important, and they were asking you to find the integrating factor of the differential equation. So you know that in integrating factor is given by e to the power integral p dx. So आपको क्या find करना है? You need to make the equation, differential equation in the standard form, dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So where p and q are function of x, okay? They are the function of x. So when you compare with this, you know that this part will give you your p, okay, and this part will give you q. This is p and this is q. So e to the power integral p dx, when you do the integration of this part, ये जो हो गया e to the power minus 2 log x plus 1, and you know that e to the power log something is the same thing when you have the base same here, okay? So therefore you will have 1 plus x. This 2 can be taken to power, it becomes 1 x plus 1 power minus 2, okay? That is your integrating factor, and which is there in option C. So that was the important problem from the last class practice pack. So we shall go to today's goals. We are going to cover a few more examples of the same concept of differential equations. So already I have covered all the concepts in the last class, previous classes, okay? So we are going to do the numericals based on them. So here is the first problem. You will have 45 seconds to each problem where you can try and get the right choice, okay? So here is the first problem for the day. Very important question. There is a combination of x term and y terms with dx and dy. आपको solution find करना है. Differentiate, the option is one method, and try to separate the variables you have in the differential equation, that is the second method. Left with 5 more seconds, guys. Your time is up. Okay, let us see now how to do this. See, before you proceed, you need to observe there is a dx term, and you have x y square and cos y 2x. You know, here again x square sine and 2y. If you differentiate y square, you will get 2y, and if you differentiate x square, you will get 2x. Means you need to do the link. You need to create a link between those two. Shall we create a link in this way? This is 2x into cos y, okay? This is multiplied with the dx, and this is minus x square into sine y into dy. Okay, I'll make this as one part, plus I'll make this as the other part. This is y square into cos x plus 2y into sin x dy. So this is one part I am making. This is one part I am making, and the remaining as the other part I am making. Chalo. You know that what is the differentiation of x square? Differentiation of x square is 2x, and differentiation of sin y is cos y, okay? So if I want to rearrange this and write, you know that if I write x square, okay, into cos y derivative plus here y square, let me write the derivative, derivative y square into sine x, y square into sine x. So let me give you a quick recap where I will use a different color. You know that derivative of x square cos y, what is that will give you? Derivative of x square into cos y. You know that keep x square constant, differentiation of cos y is minus sine y into dy, plus then keep cos y constant, derivative of x square is 2x into dx. Chalo, are you able to see this? 2x cos y dx, which is visible here, x square sin y dy, which is visible here with the negative sign. Okay. Similarly, y square sin x, derivative of y square into sin x. Let me say y square, differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus sin x into differentiation of y square is 2y into dy. So can you observe it is dx here, y square cos x dy. This dx I have left it here, this part should be dx here. So this part is reflecting here and this part is reflecting here. So now we can integrate this part. So integration of derivative x square into cos y, integration of derivative y square into sin x. You know what is integration of dx? It is x plus integration constant. So similarly, integration of this part will be x square into cos y plus y square into sin x plus integration constant. So that constant can be equal to or anything else. You know that which option, x square cos y is here, y square sin x is here, which is visible in option A, and that is the one you need to mark. Okay, hope you all followed the steps. So very important process where you need to rearrange the given terms and make sure the function should be of the integrable form. Okay, fine then. So let us go to the next one. So next numerical number 2, you will have 45 seconds. Try to get the right choice, and here is the problem. Very important problem. So this is an JEE advanced problem. You have to find the solution that represents a circle with non-zero radius. 0 should not be the radius. Radius should not be 0. You have 4 values of a, and there is a condition of inequality. So let me see who is going to give the right choice. Your time is up. Your time is up, and let's see how to do this one. So attention students, यहाँ पे क्या करना है, जो भी है ना यहाँ पे जो differential equation है ना, we shall separate the terms. 2y plus f into dy ax plus 3 into dx. Okay, so then we shall integrate it now because y terms are with dy and x terms are with dx. चलो इसको हम integrate किए तो you will get integration of 2y with respect to y is 2 into y square by 2 plus integration of f into y a into x square by 2 plus 3 into x plus integration constant c you will have. Okay. Now shift all the terms to one side. Let me take a next slide. You will have y square plus f into y is equal to x square by 2, which is a times, plus 3x plus c. इसको हम उस तरफ लिए तो a इंटू एक्स ए स्क्वायर बाई 2 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर, ये हो गया प्लस 3x माइनस एफ इंटू वाई प्लस कॉन्स्टेंट इज इक्वल टू 0. You know that general equation of a circle. What is the general equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. For circle, coefficient of x square and y square should be same or 1, and your radius is root g square plus f square minus c. This is the radius. तो क्या करेंगे हम? फॉर सर्कल हमें क्या चाहिए? a/2 is the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square is -1. So a should be equal to -2. ये है हमारा पहला कंडीशन. a should be equal to -2. देखो कौन सा ऑप्शन में a is equal to -2 है? So there is an option in C. C is the only option where you have a -2 and you should mark option as C. Okay. So then what about this part? ये जो part है ना, remaining part, how you are going to come that? Okay. You know that R is root of g square plus f square minus 3. So ये क्या होना चाहिए? Radius is non-zero. Means this part, your g square plus f square minus c should be greater than 0. Chalo, what is g? You know that if you compare g, 2g के प्लेस में 3 है, 2f के प्लेस में minus f है. So what happens to g? G is 3/2. Okay. That part you know that you need to convert into the standard form. If you want to convert that to standard form, what happens? You need to take a as -2. When you take a as -2, that will become minus x square minus y square plus 3x minus fy plus c is equal to 0. तो ये हो गया x square plus y square minus 3x plus fy minus c is equal to 0. Now you compare, this will be g, g will be minus 3, and instead of 2f, if you have f here, what happens? Your f will be f/2. Actually, you know that g square is minus 3/2 whole square and f is f/2 minus your constant is minus c, that will give you plus c, that should be greater than 0. तो इसको हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किए तो you will have 9, okay, by 4 plus f square by 4 plus c greater than 0. Then it should give you minus f, that 2f should be equal to plus f, or f should be equal to f/2. Okay, f/2 is fine. When you do the simplification, you get 4f square, that should be fine. 4f square let me do it clearly, this part. A value will become -2. When you take a value as -2, what happens to the problem? You know that part will give you when you take a as -2, that becomes minus x square. This will become minus y square. That will become plus 3x minus f into y plus c is equal to 0. You will have x square plus y square minus 3x plus fy minus c is equal to 0. So this is your standard equation of a circle. So now you compare with this. In place of 2g you have minus 3. So what happens to g? G will be minus 3/2. Okay, in place of 2f you have only f. So f will be f/2 and your constant c is minus c. Okay, so take this, radius is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, and यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको? non-zero radius. For non-zero radius, this part should be positive, यानी greater than 0. So ये जो values है ना, take them and substitute here. You will get this condition 4f square minus 4c plus 9 greater than 0. यहाँ पे easily equal to sign नहीं होना चाहिए. Usually you should say answer cannot be B. Already we have got A as minus 2, and you know that non-zero radius means your radius should be positive. For that greater than 0 रहना चाहिए. Greater than 0 यहाँ पे है, and A value is minus 2, and option C is the answer. Okay, fine then. So very important step is this part. For a circle, you need to equate the coefficient of x square and y square. They are same. Okay. Chalo, let us go to the next problem. Numerical 3, you will have 45 seconds. Here is the problem. Very important problem. Solution to the differential equation. dz by x. Little complex, but it is very important problem. Let me see who is going to give the right choice. Left with 15 more seconds. Five more seconds. Your time is up. Okay. See, when you look at the problem, there is z term and dx term is there, and z log z whole square. Here z log z, z log z, z into log z square. So what do you do? इसको नीचे लिए तो you put, attention students, 1 by log z is equal to y. Put 1 by log z is equal to y. What happens when you differentiate with respect to x? Differentiation of 1 by something is minus 1 by something square, log z square, into differentiation of log z is 1 by z, dz by dx is equal to dy by dx. So attention students, when you take 1 by log z as y, minus 1 by log z whole square, that is differentiation of 1 by something is minus 1 by something square, into derivative of log z is 1 by z, dz by dx, dy by dx. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है? z log z divide by z log z whole square. So if I divide, I will get z log z whole square dz by dx plus z log z by x z into log z square is equal to, when I divide by that, you will be left with only 1 by x square. Okay, so remember, this is the most important step. You are going to divide by z log z whole square. चलो, ये क्या हो गया? 1 by z log z square dz by dx, ये हो गया minus dy by dx. ये जो दोनों टर्म को कैंसिल करने के बाद, this part will cancel with y z, and 1 by log z will be left. That will be 1 by log z, and उसके साथ x also will be left, is equal to 1 by x square. Okay, so this is the most important part of the problem. Once we arrive at this, you multiply throughout by negative sign, so the problem will become dy by dx minus, ये है ना minus, you are multiplying throughout by minus sign, ये हो गया minus 1 by log z का वैल्यू हो गया y, ये हो गया 1 by x into y is equal to minus 1 by x square, because you are multiplying throughout with negative sign. So you know that this becomes a standard form. What is p here? Minus 1 by x. And what is q here? Minus 1 by x square. You know, integrating factor is e to the power integral p dx. तो ये हो गया e to the power integral minus 1 by x into dx. This is minus log x e to the power, इसको ऊपर लिए तो it will become e to the power log x power minus 1. Your integrating factor will be just 1 by x. Integrating factor will be 1 by x. What is the solution for integration? of that is linear differential equation. Y into integrating factor q is minus 1 by x square into integrating factor is 1 by x into dx. चलो इसको हम इंटीग्रेट करेंगे अभी. तो इसको हम इंटीग्रेट किए तो ये हो गया x टू द पावर माइनस 3. व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x टू द पावर माइनस 3? x टू द पावर माइनस 3 प्लस 1 is minus 2 divided by minus 2, minus 3 plus 1 by, so ये हो गया माइनस माइनस, ये हो गया प्लस 1 by 2 into x square plus integration constant. Okay, and what is y? You know y, you have taken 1 by log z. ये है x 1 by 2 x square plus constant. So do you have any option here? So you have an option. One by x into log z. So 1 by log z you have. Okay. To get it in the standard form, what they have got, you know that here 2 is there, here 2 is there. I'll multiply throughout by x square. मैं x square से throughout multiply किया तो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? If I multiply x square, you will have x by log z. तो ये हो गया 1 by 2 और ये हो गया plus c into x square. So do you have any option x by log z? Yes, 1 by 2. There is an option A which matches here. So to bring it in the standard form, according to the option, we are multiplying throughout by x square. So x square से multiply करने के बाद हमें option A मिल रहा है. That is your answer. Is it clear, guys? Hope you all are following the steps. Very important step was the first step where you are going to put 1 by log z is equal to y, so that the problem gets converted to linear differential equation. Okay, fine then. Get ready for the next numerical. You will have 45 seconds for that. Try to get the right choice. And here is the problem. ये जो कर्व है satisfying the differential equation a into xr, is it an ellipse and hyperbolas, or ellipse, parabolas, ellipse and straight lines, a circle or ellipse? So how does this differential equation represents? What kind of curve it is? Your time is up and let's see how to do this one. So क्या करना है आपको? ये जो y dash है ना, इसको हम ले लेंगे dy by dx, 1 minus x square into dy by dx. ये है आपका x into y is equal to a into x. So if you divide by 1 minus x square throughout, what happens? You will get dy by dx. और ये हो गया x divided by 1 minus x square into y, a into x divided by 1 minus x square. तो आपका p हो गया, p is x by 1 minus x square and q is a into x divided by 1 minus x square. Okay, चलो, let us come to the integrating factor, which is e to the power integral p into dx. So e to the power integral, what is p? You know that p is x divided by 1 minus x square. तो ऐसे करना है, put 1 minus x square is equal to t, ये हो गया 2x dx is equal to dt. यहाँ पे माइनस साइन रहना चाहिए because differentiation of x square is 2x, outside there is a minus sign. तो क्या हो गया x dx? ये हो गया minus 1 by 2 dt. तो इसको हम लिखेंगे e to the power integration minus of 1 by 2 1 by t dt. तो ये हो गया e to the power minus half into log t. t is 1 minus x square. t is 1 minus, इसको हम ऊपर लिए तो e to the power log, ये हो गया 1 minus x square power minus half e power log something. Same thing your integrating factor will be just root 1 minus x square. So you know that ये जो power में minus है ना, that part will give you 1 divided by root 1 minus x square. Let me rewrite this one clearly. So this part will become integrating factor. IF is an integrating factor. ये हो गया 1 minus x square power minus half is nothing but 1 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, so this is the first step of this problem where you need to find the integrating factor. बाद में आपको क्या करना है? Once you find, you need to use the solution. You know, solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor into dx. चलो हमारा y is as it is, हमारा integrating factor मिल गया 1 minus x square inside the root in the denominator, और हमारा q क्या है? We have q as ax divided by root 1 minus x square, and what is again this part will give you okay, this is q is 1 minus x square, that's only this part. Your q does not have root term. Okay, yeah, a into x, q is a into x by 1 minus x square, ये हो गया आपका रूट. तो चलो इसको इंटीग्रेट करने से पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. ax is equal to 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2, because you know 1 plus half is 3 by 2. How will you integrate? Again the same process. You need to take 1 minus x square is equal to t minus 2x dx is equal to dt. तो ये हो गया dt divided by minus 2x dx. So this part will become minus of dt divided by 2, and a as it is, ये हो गया, this is t power 3 by 2. So this is y by root 1 minus x square, y by root 1 minus x square as it is, you write. Take minus a by 2 outside. What is integration of t power minus 3 by 2? Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is t to the power minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is t to the power minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 प्लस इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट c. तो ये हो गया. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद ये जो 2 कैंसिल हो जाता है, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाता है. यू विल हैव 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, ये है आपका a एंड 2 कैंसिल, और ये जो है ना पावर में -2 उसको नीचे लिए तो हो गया नीचे रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस कांस्टेंट c. इसको यहां पे शिफ्ट किए तो ये हो गया y माइनस a, इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किए तो ये हो गया c इंटू रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. इसको स्क्वायर कर देंगे, ये हो गया y माइनस a होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू c स्क्वायर इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, c स्क्वायर इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. तो हमारा फाइनल फॉर्म मिलेगा, यू विल हैव 1 माइनस a होल स्क्वायर, इसके साथ इस तरफ शिफ्ट किए तो यू विल हैव c स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू c स्क्वायर. दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. हम इसको नीचे लिए तो ओके. सो बेस्ड ऑन द साइन कन्वेंशन, ये जो डबल डिग्री इन एक्स स्क्वायर एंड वाई स्क्वायर, इट विल बिकम योर एलिप्स और इट कैन बिकम hyperbola. You know that double degree equation in x and y will always represent, make sure your coefficient of x square and y square are different. यहाँ पे x square का coefficient है c square and y has a coefficient as y square has a coefficient 1. Okay, so therefore different coefficient of x square y square in double degree equation of x and y, you will have the curve as parabola or sorry ellipse or hyperbola. Yeah, there is an option ellipse and hyperbola which is there in option A, and that is your answer. Okay, yeah, fine then. So let us go to the next question. Next question is the previous class contest question, and the problem was where you need to find the value of y pi by 2. Means what is the value of y when x is pi by 2. So no winner, so no problem. You know how to arrive at this problem. इसको क्या करना है, हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. लेट मी शो यू हाउ टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. इसको यहाँ पे प्लस ऐसे ही रख दीजिए, एंड इसको प्लस कॉस एक्स है ना, y के साथ कॉस एक्स यहाँ पे एक शिफ्ट करके, एंड माइनस कॉस एक्स यू कैन टेक इट 1 and you are divided by 2 plus sin x and divide by 2 plus sin x. Okay, fine. So this is 2 plus sin x, you are dividing throughout. This will give you that side, you know, that minus sign you will have. So what is your p? P is cos x divided by 2 plus sin x. And what is q? Minus cos x divided by 2 plus sin x. ठीक है. So what is the formula you need to use? Integrating factor, e to the power integral p dx. इसको हम ऊपर लिए तो e to the power integral cos x divided by 2 plus sin x dx. So यहाँ पे इसको हम t रखेंगे. What is integration of 1 by t log t? You know that इसको हम t लिखे तो differentiation of sin x is cos x dx will give you dt. तो ये हो गया e to the power integral log 2 plus sin x, okay, which is nothing but 2 plus sin x. E to the power log something is same thing, 2 plus sin x. So general solution is given by y into integrating factor is 2 plus sin x. Q, what is q? Q is minus cos x divided by 2 plus sin x. Into that integrating factor is 2 plus sin x. We have got, इसको cancel करने के बाद you will have 2 plus sin x. Y is equal to, what is integration of cos? Sine. Okay, they are asking you to find y of 90. Before that you need to put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. When x is 0, y is 1, तो क्या हो गया ये, y is 1, ये हो गया 2, sin 0 is 0, sin 0 is 0, so c का वैल्यू हो गया 2. तो हमारा सॉल्यूशन हो गया 2 plus sin x is equal to minus sin x plus c is 2. c is 2. हमें फाइंड करना है what is y of pi by 2. Means when x is equal to 90, y is equal to question mark. When x is 90, y is equal to question mark. तो क्या हुआ यहाँ पे, x is equal to हम 90 करेंगे, y कितना होता है, sin 90 is 1, और यहाँ पे भी sin 90 1 होगा प्लस 2. तो ये हो गया y is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 by 3. Yes, do you have any option as 1 by 3? Yes, there is an option y is equal to 1 by 3. Y of 90 is 1 by 3. Option is W. Yes, hope you all follow the steps. Okay, fine, then get ready for the next question. Next question is today's contest question. So you'll be given 60 seconds and let me see who is the winner. Who gives the first right choice will be the winner. And here is the problem for today's contest question. You need to find the solution. Very important question. This is the problem of where we took 1 by log z as t or y. You need to do the same type of process here. You are left with 30 more seconds. 5 more seconds. Your time is up. Yes, winner will be announced only in the next class. So get ready for the next numerical. You will have 45 seconds for the next numerical, and here is the problem. Very important problem. The particle starts at the origin and moves along x-axis in such a way that its velocity at point is given by a formula which is given dx by dt. The particle never reaches the point on. Never reaches the point on. They are giving you certain values of x 1 by 4, x 3 by 4, x 1 by 2 and x1. So let me see who is going to give the right choice. Five more seconds, guys. Time is up. Time up, and let's see how to do this. तो चलो क्या करेंगे हम यहाँ पे dx by dt है, dx by dt is equal to cos square pi into x. तो चलो हम इसको यहाँ पे शिफ्ट किए तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड cos स्क्वायर को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड किए तो 1 by cos स्क्वायर ये हो जाएगा secant स्क्वायर पाई इंटू एक्स dx, और dt को हम राइट साइड ले लेंगे. ठीक है, we shall integrate this part now क्योंकि secant square integration we know and integration of dt is also we know. What is integration of secant square? Tan. चलो integration of secant square pi, secant square pi x dx integration dt ये हो गया. integration of secant square is tan pi into x. You should never forget to divide by pi. pi से divide करना है. क्यों बोले तो here pi into x is the variable. चलो इसके साथ what is integration of t? t is t plus constant k. K is a constant, integration constant. You can write k or c, whatever you want you can. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? What they are asking you by the formula, the particle never reaches the point. Okay, so now you need to analyze. They are giving you many options A, B, C or D. Never reaches the point on. चलो ये जो फंक्शन है ना tan theta है. See what happens when theta is equal to 90 degree. You know that tan 90 will become infinity. तो ये पार्ट जो है ना, your x cannot be 1 by 2. अगर x 1 by 2 हो गया तो वो हो गया tan of pi by 2, ये हो गया infinity. Therefore there is an option x is equal to half, option C, उसको मार्क करना है. So the particle never reaches the point means x is equal to half substitute किए तो ये हो जाएगा infinity. Means infinity means it cannot touch that point. It will go and touch only at infinity, which is very lengthy. Okay, so x is equal to half is the option which you need to mark. So option C is the right choice. Okay, fine then. So summary for the class, we solved the most important problems on differential equations, and in the next class also we are going to cover few more examples on the same concept, and after that we shall start in the next class we shall start a new concept. Okay, so there is one more class on differential equation which will be on next week, so please come prepared for that. Now it is the time for class practice pack. Students, I have given you 10 important questions from the concept what I have taught you today. CPB is unlocked and available for solving immediately after this class for all the passport members. For non-passport members, CPP is locked. To unlock, you need to subscribe to the passport, which will not only give you access to CPPs at the end of every class, it also give you access to 24/7 1-to-1 doubt solving session, and also it will give you access to practice tests from best-selling books, and also you will get access to all the video classes covering the toughest concepts and problems. So please do subscribe for the passport. Thanks for joining. Good night.